Today we will create the text intro in Kinemaster. Let's open Kinemaster and select 16:9 resolution and select a black background. Extend the background to 10 seconds. Next we'll write a text on it. First change the font to Roboto black. Next, make the text as big as possible. Now, I will change the spacing in between the letters. Done. Now I'll add an outline of white color so that the text looks more bold. So this is okay. Shifting the text to top so that there is some space at the bottom to write diaries. Next we'll import our video clip. This will go behind G. This is the video clip. We'll place it such that the sun is visible. So I'm cropping the extra part. Now I will go to blending and select multiply. So the video goes behind G. Oops. Undo. Okay, did some adjustments. G seems to be okay now. Trim the extra part of the video. This is okay. Now we'll work with letter O. Let us import the video for O. This is the video for O. So let us repeat the procedure. Blending to multiply. We'll crop the extra part of the video clip. Now adjust the position properly. Let me adjust a bit more. Trim the extra part of the video layer. Okay, muted both the video clips of G and O. Next we'll work with letter A. This is the video for letter A that will appear behind A. Let us adjust it. I will adjust it such that the feet of the person is visible in between A. So here it is. The feet goes out. So I'll trim the initial part of the video clip so that it always remains inside A. Now this seems to be okay. I'll crop the extra part. Adjusting. Okay, trim the extra part of the video and set the volume to 0, muted it. Now this is okay. Now we'll get a text layer and write diaries over here. Make it bigger in size. The font I'll select as the second one, Dancing Script Bold, I think. Diaries. Selected a color such that it matches with the videos. Give an outline. Change the outline to a dark brown. So I'll apply a fade in effect. So I move the text layer to the right and extended the text layer to 10 seconds. And here are some more adjustments. I'm not quite happy with the video behind O, so adjusting it a bit. So somewhat okay now. I'll apply the color filter. Now this is okay. It matches somewhat. So last part, we'll add an audio layer. This audio is already downloaded from also I'll add a wave effect. So let me check whether it's okay or not. Adjusted the waves layer and this seems okay. Now some final adjustments, final settings. I will go to project settings and select audio and apply audio fade in effect and fade out effect. Similarly for video, I will apply a video fade in effect and a fade out effect. So we are done. Let's see the final output.